Spring's awakening, time to DIY. Spring is here, the air is warm, birds are singing, it's time to step outside. It's time for fresh air and sunshine. Let's get our hands dirty. This spring, try a DIY project. Improve your outdoor space. Make it your own. DIY is fun and rewarding. It's about creating something beautiful. It's about using your hands. It's about making your vision a reality. You don't need to be an expert. There are easy projects for everyone. Imagine a colorful garden. Picture yourself relaxing on comfy furniture. Think of the delicious meals from your herb garden. All this is possible with DIY. Get ready to transform your outdoor space. Let's get started. Outdoor projects do more than beautify. They boost curb appeal. Imagine charming planters by your door. Picture a vibrant garden. These additions make your home inviting. They increase its value too. DIY projects benefit your well-being. Spending time outdoors is therapeutic. It reduces stress and anxiety. Gardening connects you with nature. It provides a sense of accomplishment. Imagine relaxing in your new outdoor space. Feel the stress melt away. Enjoy the fruits of your labor. DIY projects are good for the mind and soul. Want fresh vegetables? Grow them yourself. A raised garden bed is perfect. It's easy to build with a few materials. First, choose a sunny spot. Measure and mark the area for your bed. Then gather your materials: wooden planks, screws, and soil. Cut the planks to size. Assemble them into a rectangular frame. Secure the corners with screws. Next, line the bottom with landscape fabric. This prevents weeds and improves drainage. Fill the bed with high-quality soil. Now you're ready to plant. A raised bed offers many benefits. It provides excellent drainage. It warms up faster in spring. It also keeps pests at bay. Enjoy fresh, homegrown vegetables. DIY patio furniture is affordable and stylish. Upcycled pallets are perfect. They are readily available and easy to work with. Start by sanding the pallet smooth. Then choose your design. A simple sofa requires 2 pallets. Attach them together for the back and seat. Add armrests using extra wood. For a rustic look, leave the pallet's natural finish, or paint it in vibrant colors. Add cushions and pillows for comfort. You can create a matching table from another pallet. Enjoy your new eco-friendly furniture. Section 5. Vertical Verdant. Herb gardens reaching new heights. Short on space? Create a vertical herb garden. It's perfect for small patios or balconies. It adds a touch of green to any outdoor space. Choose a sunny wall. Install wall-mounted planters or shelves. Repurposed wooden crates work great too. Plant your favorite herbs in pots. Ensure they have good drainage. Water them regularly and enjoy fresh flavors. Rosemary, thyme, and oregano are great choices. They thrive in vertical gardens. Enjoy the convenience of fresh herbs at your fingertips. Section 6. Lighting the way, creative outdoor illumination. Outdoor lighting creates ambiance. It extends your evenings outdoors. Get creative with DIY lighting. String lights are magical. Hang them across your patio or balcony. Use mason jars for charming lanterns. Place candles inside for a warm glow. Solar-powered path lights are practical and eco-friendly. Line your walkway for safety and beauty. With a little creativity, your outdoor space will sparkle. Section 7. Bursts of color. Painting your pots. Add personality to your plants. Paint your flower pots with bright colors and patterns. It's a fun and easy DIY project. Choose acrylic paints for outdoor use. Clean your pots thoroughly. Apply a base coat of primer. Let it dry completely. Then, unleash your creativity. Use stencils for patterns. Paint stripes, polka dots, or geometric shapes. Personalize your pots with your initials or favorite quotes. Let your personality shine. Section 8. Finding your green thumb. Additional DIY ideas. Looking for more inspiration? The possibilities are endless. Build a birdhouse. Create a DIY fire pit for cozy evenings. Make stepping stones with colorful mosaics. Add a hammock for ultimate relaxation. Upcycle old furniture into charming planters. Turn an old ladder into a vertical planter stand. Use pallets to create a privacy screen. The only limit is your imagination. Section 9. Embrace the outdoors. Your DIY oasis awaits. This spring, transform your outdoor space. Embrace the joy of DIY. Create a space that reflects your style. Enjoy the benefits of fresh air and nature. Start small and build your confidence. Every project brings you closer to your dream outdoor oasis. Get creative, have fun, and enjoy the process. Your outdoor sanctuary awaits.